Today we will move ahead and we will try how to write the widget. So finally we are talking about the widgets. Flutter would be nothing without a widget. A Flutter UI is exclusively composed of that. For example, we can have a container widget inside which is an image widget. Let's take a quick look at this app screen. All the text here is created using the text widget, and also there are image widgets. We have icon buttons, raised buttons and drop down button widgets. There are both stateless and stateful widgets. Stateless widgets are immutable, which means all its fields are final after creation. We can pass custom properties when creating a widget, for example background color, but once created, those properties cannot be changed. Now let's try to write the codes for the widgets. Follow the instructions on the screen. Now we will create here a container widget inside which we will assign its background color, its height and width and some other properties. For this we just have to write return container, and inside the parentheses we have to define its properties like color, width and height. These widgets are easily customizable. We can use the built-in one or can create our own. Child attribute is used here to define a widget inside a widget. Sometimes it is only for once and sometimes it contains more than one child. Now we are defining a column inside a child attribute, and that column contains a children attribute that can have more than one child, and we are defining more than one text field inside the rectangular box. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next session with some new hot topics.